Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, CD player, security system, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.